In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google Play Store. If you've moved to a new country and want your apps, games, and prices to reflect your new location, this is the official method. A quick heads up on the requirements so you don't hit a dead end. You must be physically in the country you're switching to. You need a local payment method from that country. You can only change your Play Store country once every 12 months. And if your Google account is in a family group, the change won't be available. When you're ready, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings. In Settings, choose General, then tap Account and Device Preferences. Scroll until you find Country and Profiles. If you're eligible, you'll see your current country and the option to select a new one. Choose the country you're now living in. You'll be prompted to add a payment method for that country. This needs to be a local option, such as a card or a PayPal account registered in that country. Add the payment method, then follow the on-screen steps to confirm the switch. After you complete the prompts, your Play Store region will update. This isn't always instant. Allow up to 48 hours for the change to fully take effect. You may notice prices updating to the local currency and a different selection of content becoming available. A few important things happen after you change your country. Some apps, games, movies, or other content you previously saw may disappear or be replaced by versions available in your new region. Your existing Google Play balance does not transfer to the new country, so consider using any remaining balance before you switch. Also, certain subscriptions may not carry over. In those cases, you might need to cancel and resubscribe in the new region once the change completes. If you don't see the country and profiles option at all, it usually means one of three things. You're not currently in a different country, you've changed your country recently and need to wait until the 12-month window resets, or you don't have a valid local payment method added for the country you want. And a quick tip to wrap up. If your goal is just to access apps from another country temporarily, this official method often won't work. Google is strict about verifying your location and payment details, so use this process when you've actually moved.